Welcome back. Let's move our focus to SBI Life Insurance. Stock has been doing well. The company reported a 20% jump in total APE or annualized premium equivalent in the first quarter. Colleague Yash caught up with the company's MD and CEO Amit Jhingran and started by asking about the strategy towards growing the protection book. Take a look.
We had some negative growth in the protection segment in the first quarter, but to counter that, we are coming with some new products. One of the products will be on our major banker partner SBI's online channel, YONO that is, and that product is we are shortly going to launch. With these products, we expect that we will be back on track with the kind of growth that we have been seeing in protection segment earlier. Okay. And that will take care of our...
And what could be that number Q2 onwards and for FY25, the protection growth both on the individual and group side, you said that you will get back to the earlier growth. What could be that number that the market should look at?
We are looking for a total protection contribution to our APE mix in around 10 to 11% kind of number. Okay. So with these products, I am very sure that we will be able to drive that number.
What, according to you, could be one or two biggest risks as you see to your guidance of 28% on the margin?
Of course, the product mix remains the biggest risk for us because ULIP, you are aware that have lower kind of margins, and with the kind of traction that ULIP has in this market in the country at present, that is the biggest risk to us.
What is your analysis in terms of the kind of impact that you could see on your VNB margins because of higher surrender value?
See, so regulators' action, I firmly believe, are always good for the industry in the long run. SBI Life having a much higher share of ULIPs, correct. The effect of surrender value on our margins are going to be the least. Okay. Even in our non-par products where surrenders happen, our surrender percentage is very low, and our surrender values that we were offering as of now were already higher than the market and much closer to the enhanced surrender value that the regulator is now asking us to improve. So based on those facts, we are sure that the effect on margin for SBI Life will be much lesser than other industry players. Okay,
much lesser would be if someone saying 100 basis points impact. What is your understanding on the quantification of the impact?
Yeah, so yes, that is, I know you are very particular about numbers and you want me to say something.
Could it be just half of that, about 50 basis points?
You can say that it may be around 50 to 60 basis points only.
Okay, that's the big mover of the day, SBI Life on their numbers. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll get you a check on what dealing rooms are saying in our segment D Street Chatter. Also, a few BTST calls from our technical experts.